Hello everyone, this is the 3D printer making the frame that the 250 micron screen fits to. You notice the... Morning everyone, this is the method of constructing the 3D face shield screens. This is 250 micron binder sheets basically. I bought these online. Take a decent little hole punch and punch out the 8 holes. Like that. That's them. Take the sheets and take these corners off because these could be like nasty jabbing in your chin or temple. So these bottom ones would be for, obviously these are the bit nearest your chest or your neck. So you take those off. Take the sheet out. Decent pair of scissors. That's all you really need. You don't want to try and take too much off the corners because you'll lose more protection then. That's them, there's 2. Get a bit staticky when you're making them. And just take a pair of smaller scissors, just put a nice radius on the top corners so they don't jab into your temples or potentially your eye. And that's it. And then what you normally do after you've made these, if you can lay them flat on a sort of tea towel or something and get some Dettol or something spray. I know that's hard to get hold of at the minute, a bit like toilet paper. Well, it's getting better now, in fairness. And then give them a wipe up, and then when these are made, I'll show you how you fit them to the 3D printed screen. I've even got child labour on this now. Go for it, Joe. There you go, good work. So now we've finished printing the frame there. And there's the sheet, and all we do is that part of the thing, so it's hollow that side, so the solid part goes to the top. They just snap onto the frame, like that. All the way around. And then there you have it. One 3D printed face shield.